Hey, 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 hey. Hey, y'all. Welcome and welcome back. I'm Nita at Nita's Home Decor and Lifestyle TV. If you are new, then welcome. But if you are a returning family member, child, dust your feet off and get on in here. Because today, guys, today. Shut up, Nita. God. Okay, let me see. So today, guys, what we are going to be doing is refreshing my bedroom for summer. Is that better? That's better, right? So we're going to be refreshing my bedroom. We're going to be refreshing my bedroom for summer, guys. And yes, we are going to be taking out the spring stuff. I have left some of the spring stuff in here, but I'm going to be decorating for summer with some blues, y'all. And I ain't talking about no sad, no mopey depressed blues, child, because that ain't none of that going on up in here. But I'm talking about some blissful blues, y'all. We gonna bring in these blissful blues, honey, for summer. So if y'all ready, I'm ready. So we are going to start off with a trip to the storage unit. I do keep a lot of, well, actually most of my home decor items in this temperature control storage unit. So I am heading here to grab most of the things that I'm going to be using for the summer. And yeah, so I'm ready to go. Let's go ahead and get back home and get started. So this is what the room is looking like now, guys. I have taken out most of the spring decor, and if you recall, if you have watched that video, you'll know that I did hang this wall art here for spring. I'm not gonna take that down because I think it's gonna transition perfectly over for summer, so I am gonna leave those wall art pieces there. And I did hang these two pieces up for spring as well, but I am going to take those down. I am going to change those out to something else. All right, so I'm going to take you to the other side of the room. And this side of the room here is my office / sitting room. I probably won't be adding anything in here as far as for the summer. I'm just going to leave this room all neutral, which is just pretty much white. It's all white, so I'm not gonna be really doing anything special in here. But soon, very soon, maybe before the summer is over, I do wanna take out all of the silver pieces that I have in this room because it just serves no purpose with the rest of the metals in my house now being gold. So I did get that wall art from Kirkland's a while ago, and that wall art was like a bronzy finish, bronzy type copper finish. I did spray paint that silver, but I'm thinking I may just repaint it, paint it gold, and that'll match the rest of the space in the room, and then change out some of the other silver metals to gold. And then that'll be it. It's just a quick fix that I have to do by just switching out some of those silver pieces. And again, this is the office / sitting room. So here, guys, you see me ironing over my curtain panels. I got these curtain panels from Amazon. I am going to leave a link in the description box below if you're interested. They are like a linen fabric. They are very lightweight. But I am ironing them. Normally I will hang them first and run a steamer over them, but the steamer never gets out all of the wrinkles like I want to. So I'm just going to take the iron and pretty much iron the curtains, and then I'll hang them up. So here I'm just going to start my cleaning. I am going to dust. I am going to clean all of the glass surfaces, the mirror surfaces, and all of the hard surfaces. I'm also going to sweep and mop, and then also change the bed linen. if y'all keep seeing me look up or look away off to the side like that, I am watching TV while I am getting my job done. And let me ask y'all, do any of you guys like crime shows? Because that's what I'm watching. I absolutely love the ID channel and Oxygen. And my husband, he gets so mad at me sometimes. He's like, why are you always watching this channel? These sadistic, crazy ass serial killers. Watch something else. And he always tell me, you're not tired of being around these people? You've been incarcerated with them for 10 years. So guys, we always use that as a joke because I never was incarcerated, but I did work in a prison for 10 years. So sometimes I feel like during that time I pretty much was incarcerated. And this is just an unknown fact about me, guys. I did work in a prison. I worked at a female's maximum security prison, and I was the death row officer. So yes, I did work with death row inmates, guys. And so you would think I would be sick and tired of hearing about these really gruesome, incidences and people being murdered. And, because I did work with some of the worst people who have committed some heinous crimes. But yes, guys, I gotta stop watching the channel so much. But anyway, right now I am ironing my pillowcases as well because they did come out of the dryer fairly wrinkled. So I'm just gonna bump over the pillowcases too before I put them on the bed as well. Okay guys, we are about ready to get in the reveal, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I want to say thank you to my family members who always return. I want to say thank you if you are new and you clicked on this video to watch. Thank you all so very much. I really appreciate it. If you are new and you have not subscribed yet, though, please hit that subscribe button. And to all of you, if you have not hit that notification bell, please do so. I would love for you to be informed each time I release a new video. So please do that for me. Also, guys, like the video and leave your comments below. And I asked you a question, so make sure you answer that question that I asked you guys. So you know what? Go ahead and finish enjoying the rest of the video, guys. And until next time, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday, convincing me this cannot be, trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I can't